Hello, this is Bino. I'm an arborist and a tree climber specialist. What I like to do on my channel is share tree climbing tips with beginners and experts. What we're doing today is talking about parts of a tree climbing line. Let's get to it. So in tree care, when we talk about parts of a rope, a lot of times you'll hear the working end. So what the working end is a part that you're going to use to attach to your saddle. So if I'm going to put the anchor hitch, this is my working end. This is where I'll put my anchor hitch and secure it right here. Okay, this would be considered my working end. Now, past that, the extra part of the rope is considered the standing part of the line. And then if you go up and over the tree and then you come back down, this other end, the other end is considered the running end. And this would be the part where you'd want to put your figure of 8 stopper knot on the running end. Now, aside from that, some of the other terms that you'd have in ropes, another thing you might hear a lot is when they're talking about a bite. So a bite of rope is when you get a rope in this way and you hold it up. This is considered to be a bite. Another term you might hear is a loop. So when you get the rope and you flip it, it's a round circle. This is considered to be a loop. Now, if you have this loop and you have something like a carabiner in it, it's considered to be a turn. Now, if you have 2 loops, you got a loop and another loop. That's a clove hitch. A loop and a loop. This is considered to be a round turn. So there you have it. Some of the different parts of a tree climbing line when related to tree care. It's important to understand some of those terms when you're talking with other people in the trade, especially people you're working with, so there's less confusion. So once again, on the part that you're going to connect to yourself, that's the working end. The standing part's anything in between. And also on the very other end is the running end. And then you have a bite, you have a loop, you have a turn, and you got a round turn. Hope this video was helpful. All right, comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell if you like what we do. And by all means, share our video. Take care. We'll see you next time.